Things seem to break when you need them most. Furnaces die in the winter, and robots short-circuit the moment they learn to love. Taking some preventative care in warmer months can keep a broken furnace from leaving you in the cold. An annual tune-up helps your furnace run more efficiently. Heating can make up more than half of your energy costs, and clogged filters and leaky ducts force your furnace to work harder. That first heating bill after getting a tune-up might make you realize you've been paying your furnace to work overtime. Plus, tune-ups ensure the air inside your home stays safe. Malfunctioning furnaces can pump mold, toxic particles, and even carbon monoxide into your home. It's serious stuff. That's why, even if you're handy enough to change old filters and tape leaky ducts, you should call in a professional technician. They're like a one-person pit crew for your furnace, checking wiring for corrosion or rust damage, clearing out blockages in grills and drainage systems, testing voltage and calibrating your heating system, lubricating any moving parts, and helping to extend your furnace's overall life.